In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website in 5 minutes with GoDaddy. We'll keep this fast, simple, and clear so you can go from zero to a live website in just a few minutes. First, head to the GoDaddy website and open their website builder. You don't need to purchase anything to start. Look for the Start for Free button. Click it, then either sign in or create a new account. This unlocks the editor and saves your work automatically, which is helpful if you need to pause and come back later. Next, you'll see a short setup where GoDaddy asks about your business name, your industry, and your primary goal for the site. Be specific here. If you serve a niche or have a particular style, mention it. Clear, detailed inputs help the builder create a layout and content that feel much closer to what you need from the start. Now let the AI assistant, called Aero, process that information. This usually takes just a moment. Behind the scenes, it's picking a theme, selecting relevant sections, and drafting starter copy so you're not staring at a blank page. Almost instantly, you'll get a complete draft website. Expect a clean theme, logical sections, and stock images or placeholder text tailored to your industry. Treat this as your foundation. It's meant to be edited, not perfect out of the box. Open the editor's sidebar to make it your own. Swap images with your product shots or brand visuals. Edit headlines so they're clear and action-oriented. Tighten paragraphs to keep them scannable. Adjust colors and fonts to match your brand palette for a consistent look. As you go, preview on mobile to ensure buttons are easy to tap and text is readable. Replace any generic stock photos with images that reflect your actual offering, and update calls to action so they point to the right place, whether that's a contact form, an email, or a booking page. If the editor lets you add alt text or basic SEO titles, fill those in with concise descriptive language. When you're happy with the draft, click Publish. Your site will go live instantly on a free GoDaddy subdomain. This is perfect for sharing, getting feedback, or launching quickly. You can connect a custom domain later when you're ready, and any changes you make afterward can be republished with a single click. That's it. You've built and launched a functional website in minutes. Keep refining your copy, swapping visuals, and polishing the design, and you'll be ready to share your site with the world.